Hey everybody, it's Elise from Art Sheds. Today I'll be showing you how to do a dirty pour. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
To start off any acrylic pouring, you'll need a surface to paint on, so I'm using a canvas. Next for my paint, I'll be using a mixture of our Mont Studio acrylics and our Mont satin acrylics. I'll be mixing this in with Floetrol. I'll be using titanium white, magenta, ultramarine blue, and turquoise. You could even choose to use our already pre-mixed pouring paints. In the Boom Gel stain, I'll be using the pearlescent teal. Next, you'll need something to mix up your paint with your pouring medium in, so I'm just using some plastic cups and some popsicle sticks. Because I want cells in this painting, I am using silicone oil. First, I like to start off my work surface by raising up my canvas. I like to just use some extra cups that I have laying around and putting it under each corner of my canvas. This will allow any excess paint to fall off the edges of my painting. Now to the paint mixing. I like to start off by pouring a bit of my paint into separate cups so I can mix them in with my pouring medium. Next, I add my Floetrol. I like to start off with about half paint to half Floetrol, then I mix it together, making sure I get any lumps out. Then I keep adding more Floetrol in until I get to about 3/4 of my Floetrol to about 1/4 of my paint. Because I want a few cells in this painting, I'm adding a couple of drops of silicone oil to my teal and my magenta, making sure I mix it all together. If you want lots of cells, you can add it to all of your colours. The next step is to get an extra cup and start pouring your mixed paints, one on top of the other. To help prevent your paints from mixing together too much, I like to always pour my paint down the edge of the cup so it falls in slowly. This will help you layer them nicely. As you can see, the Boom Gel is actually a little bit too thick, and in hindsight, I should have mixed it in with more Floetrol. It's always a good idea to try and get your paints to the same consistency. This will help prevent cracking. For this technique, the next thing you need to do is just flip your cup over onto your canvas and let it sit for a few seconds. You can already see the cells forming from that silicone oil. Now you just need to tilt your paint to each corner. When doing this, it's always a good idea to go to one corner first, then bring your pool of paint back to the center and then keep going to each corner. An issue that I ran into for this painting was that I didn't actually use enough paint, and I also left the Boom Gel a little bit too thick. You can see that the paint isn't moving that smoothly, and it's kind of pulling and ruining all of those cells that I wanted. To avoid this, just make sure that you get all of your paint to the same consistency and to use enough paint to cover the canvas. But it still looks cool nonetheless. Now I'm just making sure I get all of my edges and really just have fun with it.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a like if you found this video helpful at all, and subscribe for more similar content.